Hi, all the students and parents. So today, as I told you, I'm very vocal about not dropping maths in 10th standard. So why I am very vocal about not dropping maths? The reason is, if you see this year, now there is a surprise for all the students who are preparing for exams like Christ entrance exam for BBA and the other allied courses. Those who are planning to join Shahid Sukhdev College, planning to go for IP MAT Indore, or even answering CLAT exam. So all these exam has one particular section which is called quantitative aptitude. So after 12th, if you are answering any competitive exam, will have maths in it. After graduation, the students who are preparing for banking exams, students who are preparing for various other government job exam, the local state government job exam, all the exam will have a topic called quantitative aptitude. Now, in quantitative aptitude, you have the syllabus up to 10th standard mathematics only, but the questions asked are very logical in nature. So you cannot have the conventional approach which we have in school to solve the questions of quantitative aptitude. You need short tricks, you need to use logics to get the answer. You sometimes can use options also to get the answer. Now, to surprise, to my surprise also, I was not aware about this. But this year, even Christ College in Bangalore, so people who went and wanted to take decision science as a subject in their BBA was told that since you did not have maths in your 11th and 12th standard, we cannot offer you decision science. Believe me or not, in time to come, maths is going to be the most important subject beyond everything. And recently, you've seen that our BrahMos missile and Akash missile has suddenly, intercepted, and then so many drones, and then we used it very efficiently. Also, work on one mathematical concept of differential equation. Right? So, differential equation is a part of calculus which you will experience in 11th and 12th standard. Also, used for navigation. Also, differential equation is also used for navigation. Also for missile projectile motion. So that is the importance of mathematics in day-to-day life as well as in the higher mathematics, also in the field of engineering, in the field of science and tech. Everywhere mathematics is being used. So those students who are planning to drop maths, do not drop maths. You will have a lot of difficulty in clearing any competitive exams. So I hope you find this message uh, and you will work on that. If you're weak in maths, fine, you can get in touch with me. I'll try to help you out. Thank you so much.